Yesterday, Bitcoin told me that I need to work on my trading knowledges because it has broken the critical level and the Elliott wave formation, which I consider it. Today, I will show you two other Elliott wave formations which I received after recounting Elliott waves. Hello my dear friends, it's Ivan making the crypto analysis updates for you to make you aware how to trade, to maximize, or in this case how to minimize your profit. Before we get started, I want to remind you that nothing from this video can be used as a financial advice. Let's start on the 4-hour time frame of our favorite crypto exchange Whitebit. You can use link in the description to register on this exchange. And first of all, I briefly remind you which Elliott wave formation I considered. I told you that here was the wave C, which consists of 5 waves: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And if you remember, I opened short position at this beam bar, at this bearish reversal bar with the angulation with the alligator. After that, I considered it was the wave 1, wave 2, and here I waited the wave 3. I waited the wave 3, something like this. Maybe after such consolidation, it had to be continued, but market decided to hit the stop loss. But it has not hit my stop loss because I told you in my Telegram chat that I decided not to close my trade because I have the very nice entry point right here, and my plan now is just to enhance my short position when or if the market will hit approximately $17,800. And which Elliott wave formation can we consider right now? I still consider that now we are in wave C. Probably it was wave C, or now it was wave C, or now we are in wave C, and this is wave C. If wave C has ended right here, what does it mean for us now? It means that here was the wave 1 and here was the wave 2, and in this case we have to see then wave 3, the impulsive pull to the downside, for example on Monday, of course, because on the weekend the price fluctuations are very poor. The market has a low volatility, and if we have this scenario as our case, if I'm correct, we have to wait for the target approximately at 1.68, 1.61 Fibonacci level. It's approximately $16,100, and it could be the very nice profit, but to be honest, I have some doubts that the price will not collect liquidity above this high, because we have also this high, and here is a lot of liquidity, and I think market can reach these price levels. And what we have in this case? In this case, I can consider that we are in corrective wave C now, and this is the wave C. And where are we in this wave? Of course, we have wave 1, wave 2. Of course, it was wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and it was the wave 4. It was the wave 4 which was represented as an irregular correction. Of course, it's too much in terms of time, but wave 4 could be extended in terms of time. And it was the wave A inside wave C, it was wave B, and now it was the wave C. If this was the wave 4, now we have to wait for the wave 5, and wave 5 easily can reach our target approximately at $17,800. If we look here, let's remove this stuff. If we look here, if we switch to the 30 minutes time frame, because if we consider that this is wave 5, we need to count waves inside this wave 5. it should consist of also 5 waves. And first of all, let's measure the date range from the start to the anticipated end. 150 bars. It's too much. I think we have to use maybe 45-minute chart. Of course, it's okay. It's correct. We have to consider from 100 to 140 bars. And what we can see right here, it was the wave 1, wave 2, it was the wave 3, probably. It was the wave 5 inside wave 3. And now we are in wave 4, and what we can see that the awesome oscillator have already crossed the zero line. It means that the minimal correction target have been completed. If we apply the Fibonacci retracement, we can see that this wave retraced exactly to 0.38 Fibonacci level, and it's the normal target for the wave 4. Of course, we can see another one pull to the downside, maybe to 0.5, maybe even to 0.618, but I have some doubts. Maybe from this point we can see the reversal to the new highs. And after that, when we will see this new push to the upside, maybe from current, maybe from this point, we will see the divergence with awesome oscillator, and it will be our final target, final point, reversal point before the new deep dive. And of course, I have the very nice entry point in my short position, and even if price will be here, it will not be the huge loss for me, and here I will enhance my short position to catch this potential pull to the downside. I'm sure that we will see this pull to the downside. Well guys, thank you so much for joining my channel. Good luck and goodbye.